The cucumbers, these are 4 weeks as well. Now, I use one string because I single stem the plant. I cut all the side shoots.
Okay. All right.
So I grow just one main stem to control it. And notice wherever you see a leaf coming out from.
Right.
And where at each of those points you have 4 things. You have a leaf,
Right.
you have one of these stringers to hold on,
Right.
you have the fruit, and you have a sucker.
Right.
So if we look here, is a perfect example. At this node, we have a leaf. This is this leaf here. You see it's connected to this node. Here, this leaf is connected here.
Okay, good. Yes, yes.
So this is the leaf. This is the cucumber.
Right.
This is the
Sucker.
attachment.
Yeah.
And this is the sucker.
Oh, okay. A sucker starts its own sets of nodes.
Both sets up, so that will continue its own vine now.
All right.
And I single stem, I take these off. So that way it's just the main stem that keeps growing and it grows up.
No, I kind of understand, but I also don't. Why it would produce more.
Now these take a lot of energy.
Right. Okay.
So these take a lot of energy because it has to produce leaf, all the other stuff. Since it only has the main stem, it can
It will just produce. Okay. So it's
keep,
kind of like.
keep putting out flowers.
So it's kind of like when your mango tree or your cherry tree,
And you prune it
prune it. It have more. It's bear more the next time.
the next time.
All right.
So by picking the cucumbers every day as they're ready, the plant continuously tries to, because all plants naturally try to reproduce. So what it's doing is putting out cucumbers in the hope that it gets to mature and the seeds get to continue into a new plant. So by picking every day, the plant will say, oh shucks, that one didn't work. Let me make some more cucumbers. Let me keep making more and more cucumbers. But if you leave it on the tree for too long, it will mature and the plant production will slow down.